let's talk about installing the eSIM on an Android phone, so that way everyone is covered. On your Android phone, open Settings, then go to Connections. From there, tap SIM Manager, and you should see your SIMs listed. Tap the one that says Saily, and that's where you can find the main eSIM options for it, including turning the line on and off, and renaming it so it's easy to recognize later. And just like I mentioned with iPhone, if you don't need your primary SIM at all, you can turn it off so there's no chance your phone switches back while you're traveling. Now for activation and safety. When you arrive at your destination, you'll want to turn on the Saily line. And then I recommend turning off your primary line completely, so there's no chance you get roaming charges from your normal carrier. After that, go back into the Saily eSIM settings and enable data roaming if your destination or plan requires it. And for Android users, it's the same idea. When you arrive at your destination, go back into your SIM manager, turn the Saily eSIM on, and if you don't need your primary SIM at all, turn that line off as a safety to avoid roaming charges. And you can also enable data roaming for your Saily eSIM if you need to. And then once you got everything turned on, the easiest way to double check that you're good to go is to hop back into the Saily app. Just go to your home screen and open Saily, and it's going to automatically check your eSIM status and confirm everything is installed properly. You'll also be able to see your activation date and track your data usage. And if anything needs to be enabled, like data roaming, it'll tell you right there. After that, tap OK, and you're ready to start using your eSIM. And quick reminder, if you want an extra 15% off, use the first link in the video description, or scan the QR code on screen right now to open it in your browser.